When navigating cancer treatment, nutrition is foundational, but sometimes it's not enough on its own. Side effects from chemotherapy, radiation, or surgery, along with changes in appetite, digestion, and absorption, can make it challenging to get all the nutrients our body needs from food alone. Welcome to Tea Talk. I'm Dannie Cade, and this week is where we look at how supplements and safe add-ons can play a vital role in recovery, especially in cancer. Although they're not a replacement for whole foods, pardon me, they can bridge gaps, support recovery, and give our body the tools it needs to heal and maintain strength. The first step is understanding why supplements are necessary. Now, during cancer, our body is under stress on multiple levels. There's treatments, appointments, inflammation, and of course the emotional stress, and it all increases nutrient demand. Deficiencies in protein, vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids are quite common, and even minor deficiencies can slow down recovery, reduce energy, or even weaken immunity. Carefully chosen supplements can address these gaps and provide support during the most challenging of times. So let's start with a high-quality multivitamin. A good one is going to ensure that our body has all of the essential micronutrients needed for cellular repair, immune function, and overall metabolism. You want to look for a formula that provides 100% of the recommended daily allowances of vitamins and minerals without excessive dosages, as too much of a certain nutrient can be counterproductive or even harmful during treatment. Okay, so try to be mindful of marketing tactics as you read the labels, and that's not easy, by the way. Micronutrients like zinc, selenium, and vitamin C play critical roles in tissue repair and immune response, which makes a multivitamin an important foundational supplement. But your best bet is to stay away from the drugstore, superstore, warehouse brands. If you know someone in the wellness industry, talk to them about a good multivitamin and anything else I'm about to mention. They're going to help you to get quality products that actually work. Okay, so vitamin D3 is not only vital for bone health, but it also supports immune function and mood regulation. Many cancer patients are deficient, due to limited sun exposure, or even just the effects of treatment can do that. Dosages commonly recommended by naturopathic practitioners can range from 1,000 to 4,000 units a day, depending on blood levels and individual needs. Some might even be more like 10 to 30,000 units until they're back into the optimal range. Many use blood tests to help determine where they're at. Just key point to know. Vitamin D supports not just physical health, but it also enhances energy levels and our overall resilience. Omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, DHA, from fish oil or algae sources have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a major challenge during cancer and its treatment, and it can worsen fatigue, pain, and tissue damage. So supplementing with 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of combined EPA, DHA daily can help reduce inflammation, support muscle maintenance, and even improve cognitive function as well as your appetite. Now, I've even heard of way higher dosages than that, like 2 to 3 grams daily. But again, stay away from the chain store brands because choosing high quality purified fish oil is critical if we want to avoid contaminants like mercury. Then there's the probiotics and gut health. Treatment and stress quite often disrupts the gut microbiome, which affects digestion, immunity, and overall recovery. Probiotics can help restore our beneficial bacteria. Dosages of 10 to 50 billion CFU daily are common, but it's important to select strains that have been studied for immune and digestive support. Make sure that the product that you choose guarantees live delivery. Otherwise, you're paying big bucks to swallow dead bugs. So incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or kimchi can complement probiotic supplements for even better results. Okay, and then there's magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation, sleep, nervous system function. And many patients experience cramps, insomnia, or stress-induced tension and headaches, which magnesium can help to mitigate. Typical dosages range from 200 to 400 milligrams a day, but it could be more, and is best absorbed in chelated forms or magnesium glycinate. This simple mineral can have profound effects on comfort, rest, and recovery, especially if it's taken before bed. Okay, and the last one, curcumin, turmeric extract. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In cancer care, again, inflammation is a common barrier to healing and can worsen side effects from treatment. Supplementation typically ranges from 500 to 2,000 milligrams a day, but it's often paired with black pepper extract to improve absorption. Curcumin can support tissue repair, reduce discomfort, and aid overall resilience. And when considering supplements, you're going to want to follow a few key principles. Quality over quantity. That's your biggest one right there. Not all supplements are created equal, far from. So you want to look for products that are third-party tested and free from unnecessary fillers, sugars, artificials, or additives. That's the biggest reason that I suggested talking to someone in the wellness industry, because they know. If you don't know someone like that, well, you do now because you're looking right at her. Drop the word quality and I'll get in touch with you. And if you're really lucky, I'll even show you what I use. Last but not least, safety first. Always discuss new supplements with your oncology team. While most foundational supplements are safe, some can interact with medications or affect treatment efficiency. So if you're going to do this, consistency matters. Supplements work best when they're taken regularly and in combination with nutrient-rich foods. Now, if eating has become too difficult to make this work, drop the word help, and I'll give you my free guide of what I did when I couldn't get food down either. Skipping doses or relying solely on pills without dietary support reduces effectiveness. So if you or a loved one aren't eating, again, grab my guide by dropping the word help. Now, if you can still eat and you decide to take supplements, what you want to do is track any and all changes. Notice how your body responds. How's your energy, your digestion, your sleep? How's your overall mood? All of that can provide feedback on whether a supplement is helping you or not. And again, give it time. You need more than just a couple of days. Okay, supplements are empowering tools. They allow us to actively participate in our healing journey. And when chosen wisely, they complement whole foods and lifestyle changes to create a comprehensive recovery plan. They're a tangible way to support our body, reduce side effects, and protect our strength while undergoing treatment. Last, and finally, it is important to remember that supplements are only one piece of the puzzle. They work best alongside the lifestyle changes that we hit on last week. We talked about balanced nutrition, hydration, movement, emotional support, and sleep routines. So taken together, these strategies create a full spectrum approach to recovery, one that addresses the whole person, not just the disease. So in the next episode, we're going to explore the emotional weight of cancer. It's a side of healing that we rarely discuss, but it has profound impact on recovery, appetite, and resilience. So we're going to go over some strategies to manage PTSD, guilt, anxiety, and isolation in the name of helping you to reclaim your emotional as well as physical strength. By integrating the right supplements with food and lifestyle practices, we can begin to give our body what it truly needs to repair, strengthen, and thrive, even during treatment. So these steps are not a replacement for medical care. I want you to know that, very important, but they are a vital complement that gives us agency and hope. We're not powerless. We can support our body, mind, and recovery every single day. So I hope you join me tomorrow. I'm going to be doing my weekly wellness show. I'll try to be on time tomorrow. I don't know if you missed that last week. I was an hour late. We're going to go over, I'm actually going to cover the blood sugar roller coaster in my weekly wellness discovery show. So I hope to see you there. But in the meantime, if you're looking again for support with eating, drop the word help. If you're looking for some help with choosing supplements that are going to work best for you, if you don't have somebody in the wellness industry, drop the word quality and I will get in touch with you. Thanks, everyone. Make it a great day, and I will catch you hopefully tomorrow. Bye for now.